Each time a 12-lead EKG is obtained, reading the strip with a consistent, systematic method is key. A pattern of reading emerges with this systematic approach. First, in this example, let's review the inferior portions. The inferior portion of this particular heart are indicated by leads 2, 3, and AVF. We remember that 2, 3, and AVF look at the inferior portions. Second, the lateral portions. The lateral portions of the myocardium include 1, AVL, V5, and V6. Third, septal. The septal portions are indicated by V1 and V2. Finally, the anterior portions. The anterior leads can be seen in V2, 3, and 4. So a pattern actually emerges for reading the EKG the same each time. They include inferior, 2, 3, AVF. Lateral, 1, AVL, V5, and V6. Septal, V1, V2. Anterior, V2, V3, and V4. Is it essential to read the EKG the same? Yes, of course. Consistent and standardizing your reading method will increase your chance of reading the EKG correctly. Now let's look at the anterior portion of this myocardium where an MI has occurred. We've learned the anterior portion includes V2, V3, and V4. Notice there are significant Q waves and T wave inversions in lead 1, but predominantly in V2, V3, and V4. We have highlighted these rhythms so you can see the changes. Clearly, there is a deep Q wave here in V2, V3, and V4. This is a Q wave MI. There is also inverted T waves, where the T wave should be upright. This is diagnosed as an acute anterior MI due to the occlusion of the proximal left anterior descending coronary artery as demonstrated in this diagram.